Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can log out of your WhatsApp account. It's very easy to do. For some reason, there is no such function in the WhatsApp settings, but that won't stop us. Just don't forget to make a backup before you log out of your account. Let me quickly show you how to do this. Click on the three dots. Settings. Chats. Chat backup. Click on the backup button. Great, now you can log out of your account. The first thing you need to do is go to your smartphone settings. Apps and notifications. See all apps. And now find WhatsApp in that list. Storage and cache. Now click on the Clear Storage button. Let's now open WhatsApp. As you can see, we logged out of the account. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has been useful to you. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Your support is very important to us. Goodbye.